Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll guide you through every fascinating step of how electric cars are assembled, from raw materials to a fully finished vehicle.
All right, clear Bay 4 immediately. We need those battery components inside now. Keep the line moving. Look at this reading right here.
That doesn't meet the standard. We should reject the lot.
These modules are designed for maximum energy density. Ensuring safety during assembly is paramount, which is why we use precision laser welding.
Temperature is exceeding threshold in the primary conduit.
Adjusting the alignment stabilizers. Watch the voltage flux.
Every frame is engineered for strength, safety, and efficiency. We never compromise on precision or alignment. Technology meets comfort inside every vehicle. Only flawless vehicles earn approval.
And that's how electric cars are assembled, from start to finish.